You like it, Charlie?
We're eating.
What?
We're eating.
Can we do it again?
Okay.
Did Connor get that for you?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Give Elmo a kiss.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with Elmo? We're eating.
Do the E thing.
Oh, the E thing? Okay.
E is for Elmo.
Again?
Easy. What's your favorite letter? Elmo loves the alphabet.
Can you say thank you to Connor?
Thank you, Connor.
Say hi to Uncle Harry.
Hi, Harry.
And who else? Aunt who?
Mommy.
What? What about Katie and Sosie?
And Glenda.
She'll say it if I say them. Charlie, are you all done with Elmo or you want him?
Easy.
A, B, C, that's what she's saying.
Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with Elmo?
Say bye to Connor. Say bye, Connor.
Bye, Connor. It's easy.
Okay.